On the international travel aspect, we still have the travel tax. It's been my long advocacy na dapat tanggalin yung travel tax. Bakit pati yung pag-aaral natin, pag-lakwatsa, tina-tax pa tayo? Hindi pa ba dapat yung buwis marami na tayong binabayaran? Huwag na yung dagdag pa sa tax. Ang masama pa dito, the travel tax is collected and paid by one agency, yung tinatawag na TIEZA. So you have one agency just collecting this tax. At alam mo yung TIEZA, it's not the cleanest of all agencies. Marami din siya, maraming issues, maraming controversies. You can look it up quickly online. So, ang feeling ko lang, huwag mo nang i-tax yung passengers na gusto magkalawak ng experience, gusto mo gala, gusto mo lakaw-lakaw. Ayaw na ang na. Ibalik na ang taxes sa mga mamamayan, especially sa middle class. And if there really is a need to raise revenues, tanggalin yung travel tax on economy. Tapos, doblehin nyo sa business tax, business class. Kasi kung business class ka, ibig sabihin may kaya, doblehin mo. Diba? Isn't that the fair and equitable reason? As it is, yung economic fare mo at business class, times 4 na eh. Ano naman yung extra few thousand pesos na travel tax i-impose? Pero mas maganda, tanggalin na siguro. The other little things that you see, especially sa provincial airports, is yung papasok ka sa airport, tapos biglang magkaabot na yung ticket. Parking ticket na 20 pesos, 50 pesos. It doesn't matter the amount. But you have to remember, the right to pick up and drop off your passenger is a basic passenger right. No, alam mo, ilakad mo, dalit na pa yung luggage mo. So, dapat walang bayad yon. But they ask you to pay a parking ticket. So, we should all advocate to say na drop off a pickup. Ay kung magpa-park man, at least may grace period of 30 minutes to 1 hour. Hindi yung papasok ka, magbayad ka ng 20, 50, di ba? It's all the 1,000 cuts yung tinatawag na. Hindi ka naman pinapatay ng murder na binabaril ka. But kinukunan ka ng dugo, inihiwa ka, hinahinay kag patayan niya. So, I really feel all these things we should be watchful for. Pansinin natin yan. We should take a more active stand to protect our rights.